Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to do something a little unpleasant. The unfortunate reality is that sometimes we have to mark our students for an infraction. Today I will show you how to do so and how to add infraction types in Admire so that you can keep all your records up to date. Let's get started. Let's start with the unfortunate task of reporting an infraction. Let's go to school and we'll go to students. This will open the student browser. We're going to search through our current students and find, unfortunately, the student. And I hope I'm not over multi-jammer here because this did not actually happen. But just let's pretend, lahavdil, that Yosef Bloch did an infraction, which I don't know who Yosef Bloch is, and I apologize for any multi-jammer that's coming out of this video. We'll go to the attendance tab, and over here you see infractions. As you can see, Baruch Hashem, there has been no infractions reported. But let's say, Chas v'shalom, and we're saying he didn't do this, but let's say he did do this, we would click on New, we would choose the date, the student, which will have all the information here. We can choose the type from the drop-down menu. You can see there's chewing gum, fighting, miscellaneous, not wearing a white shirt on Rosh Chodesh, positive feedback. You know what? Let's do positive feedback. Why not? And we're going to report it by our favorite Rebbe, AdmirePro, and we're going to talk about the notes, and we're going to say Yosef was the first to answer the Rebbe's question in Chumash class. Okay, and then we'll hit OK. Now we can see that the infraction, in this case the positive feedback infraction, is entered in over here. We have the date, the type, the amount of points on the record that it attaches to each student's record, who reported it, and the notes. Generally, most schools have a detention system that once you reach a certain amount of points, that will automatically mark the student for a detention, and that's the reason why we have a point system here. Now I'm going to show you how to add infraction types so that you can have those available in the drop-down menu we showed prior. Go to School, go to Setup, and then go to Infraction Types. And over here you can see each of the types. You can delete them by clicking on it. Now I want to show you something interesting. If we try to click this, you're going to see a pop-up that says there are infractions with this type. Type cannot be deleted. That's very important because if you want to delete a type of infraction and there are already students with that infraction in the system, it won't allow you to delete it. You can see over here the type. You can see how many points each one has. So in this case, I'm going to create the type of chutzpah to a teacher, and I'm going to put 100 points because that's never allowed. You know what? We'll leave it 1,000 points. Good for us. And hit OK. And now you can see here that if I wanted to add it to the student, which Chas v'shalom again, Mitzi Shema, didn't happen, I would go here and hit type, scroll down, and chutzpah to a teacher is right there, reported by our favorite Rebbe, and with the notes, didn't actually happen, just a test, and hit OK. And now you can see here the date, the type, the amount of points, who reported it, and the notes. Thank you for watching. We here at Admire Academy are constantly creating new content for you so that you can learn how to use this software to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.